Good morning, students. Welcome back to the second video lecture of today's class. I have already completed the chapter with the summary and given all the extra details regarding it in the PDF file. Now there are some oral comprehension check questions given in this chapter in the middle. Here are the answers which I am going to discuss before you all. That will help you to understand the chapter very well. Question number 1. What did Mr. Petronski's letter say? Mr. Petronski's letter was to inform the principal and Miss Mason that Wanda would not come to school as she was fed up of being bullied in the school. They were going to shift to a bigger place where nobody would make fun of their last name. Next question. Is Miss Mason angry with the class or is she unhappy and upset? Miss Mason seems to be unhappy and upset rather than angry because she had never expected such a behavior from the students. She wants everyone to think about it and ask them not to look down anyone in the class. How does Maddie feel after listening to the note from Wanda's father? Maddie feels sorry and ashamed for the behavior, although she herself did not make fun of Wanda. She never tried to stop Peggy to do so and remained a silent spectator. She felt as a coward. What does Maddie want to do? Maddie wanted to attend her behavior towards Wanda. She wanted to meet her to apologize. She decided to find Wanda at her house at Boggins Heights. She also wanted to convey that all was meant in good humor and people really loved her. What excuses does Peggy think of giving in justification of her behavior? Why? Peggy tried to defend herself by saying that her behavior towards Wanda inspired her to explore her drawing skill as she sketched 100 dresses, and that made her win the drawing contest. What were Maddie's thoughts as they go to Boggins Heights? Maddie was feeling ashamed and apologetic for being a silent spectator while Peggy humiliated Wanda. She was feeling upset and distraught for Wanda and herself. She was also repenting for not stopping Peggy for behaving badly with Wanda. Why does Wanda's house remind Maddie of Wanda's blue dress? Wanda's house was old and faded, but neat and clean like her blue dress that she wore every day to school. Thus, Maddie was reminded of the same old blue dress. What does Maddie think hard about? What important decision does she come to? Maddie thought about not to be mute spectator anymore that she had been in case of Wanda. She promised herself about not letting any injustice happen to anyone, even if she would have to lose a friend in this. What did the girls write in the letter? Maddie and Peggy wrote a friendly letter to Wanda. They wanted to apologize for their behavior, but they ended up asking her whether she liked her new school and teacher. They informed her about her sketches winning the drawing competition. They praised her drawing skill and also told how much other students liked her art. The letter was just an unusual letter one may write to a good friend. Did Maddie and Peggy get a reply? Who was more anxious for a reply? How do you know? No, they didn't get a reply from Wanda. Maddie was more anxious for a reply than Peggy because she was very upset and feeling sad for Wanda. She had assumed that Wanda was deeply hurt, so she was not replying and blamed herself for everything. Maddie used to have sleepless nights and saw frightful dreams about Wanda. How did the girls know that Wanda liked them even though they had teased her? Both Maddie and Peggy realized that Wanda liked them, although they had teased her because she had gifted them her two beautiful dresses, a green one with red trimmings to Peggy and the blue one to Maddie. She had even drawn their faces in the painting of the dresses they got. So these were the answers, children, which I have discussed before you all. All the middle questions given in the chapter and the back chapter exercise I have given you as home assignment. Kindly do it in the notebook. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through Campus Care.